In this video, we're going to talk about what Power BI is today and how its history from Excel has allowed everyone in the business to make use of it, but there are some challenges. If you're wondering what Power BI is, it's more than just charts and graphs, and I particularly like this definition from some Microsoft documentation. But specifically, there's three things in here that set it apart from other reporting tools. First is business analytics. Power BI is designed for reporting on all parts of your business, and it's focused specifically on analytics. This means it's less about things that you might print out or send in an email, like invoices, general ledgers, and expense reports, and more about high-level summaries about the health of your business, like year-over-year sales, quantities sold, and so on. Next is that Power BI is aimed at everyone and anyone. Really, anyone. If you can use Excel, you can use Power BI. In fact, it was originally born out of Excel. There's still going to be a learning curve, but you'll see over and over again that Power BI is designed for business users and self-service first. Finally, is the fact that it's cloud-based. This means that it's hosted somewhere else, and you pay a monthly subscription per user or for computing capacity, and your reports live in the cloud and are accessible anywhere in the world. This is similar to what you might be used to with Office 365 and is sometimes called software as a service. To understand Power BI better, it helps to know a little history. Before Power BI was Power BI back in 2016, it was Excel. Specifically, it was three separate add-ons: Power Query for data cleansing, Power Pivot for data modeling, and Power View for visualizations. Then, Microsoft combined Power Pivot and Power Query and made a new rendering engine in HTML and JavaScript to make Power BI. This new tool promised to make report development accessible to everyone, again, in the same way that Excel is accessible to everyone. And from that point on, everything was perfect. Well, not quite. You see, one downside of trying to make a tool that can be used anywhere by anyone on their own is that it can be challenging to manage adoption, make sure people are learning how to use it, feel comfortable with it, and then to keep everything organized once they've made it. And so what you'll see is one of the biggest challenges with Power BI is managing self-service. In later videos, we'll talk about the details of why, and we'll see how Power BI Sentinel was designed to help with that exact problem.